In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription form in WordPress. An effective email subscription form can be a game changer for your website, allowing you to connect with your audience, send them regular updates, and ultimately drive more traffic. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of adding an email subscription form effortlessly. Starting off, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your website. Once you're in your dashboard, focus your attention on the left-hand side menu. Locate Plugins and hover over it to reveal additional options. Then click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin library, where you'll be able to explore a vast array of tools that can enhance your website's functionality. Now, in the search bar located towards the top right of the plugin page, type in the name of a popular email marketing or forms plugin. Some good options to consider are Fluent Forms, MailPoet, or Opt-in Monster. These plugins are well-maintained, feature-rich, and widely recommended by users across the WordPress community. Each of these tools provides excellent functionality, making it simple to collect email addresses from your website visitors. After you've searched for the desired plugin, look for one that stands out with positive reviews and a significant number of active installations. These indicators are crucial as they suggest reliability and frequent usage by other WordPress site owners. Once you've found a plugin that checks these boxes, you'll notice a blue button that says Install Now. Go ahead and click on it, and WordPress will handle the installation automatically. But wait, there's one more vital step. After the plugin has been installed, the blue button will transform into a new button labeled Activate. Click Activate to turn the newly installed plugin on, making it ready for use on your site. Activating the plugin is essential because it essentially powers it on, allowing you to start configuring your email subscription form immediately. With your chosen plugin now active, you're all set to begin customizing your email subscription form according to your preferences. Many plugins come with a variety of templates and customization options that let you tailor the appearance and functionality of the form to match your website's theme. Spend some time reviewing your plugin's documentation or support guides to make the most of its capabilities. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding an email subscription form to your WordPress website. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building and engaging your email list. You're now set up to provide your audience with consistent content updates, boosting your site's engagement and reach over time. Happy blogging and all the best in growing your audience.